Welcome guys, today I'll be showing you a quick one on how to fix. So if your UI is a bit different from this, don't worry. After ECG installs the meter, they give you a manual. You can find all the codes on it. So you can check the manual for the code for checking current. So in order to do this, turn off all the appliances in your house and leave one on, let's say light or fan. Now, to check the current on this one is 206. Now, it's 0.32 and it's just my light which is on, which is okay for lighting. It's not even up to 1 amp. Now, I'll turn the light off and check again. 206. You can see it's 0.000. Now, if you turn off the appliance you turned on to check the current, and there is small reading like let's say 0.01 something or any figure, check again if there's no appliance on like socket. Everything should be off. Everything should be off, because even with the sockets, those small bulbs which on there, those red bulbs, they can even cause some, they can even consume some amount of current which is small, but it can affect the reading. So turn off everything. Now if you check the current and it's 000, which means you are paying for the amount of light you are consuming. But if you check and there is still some current reading, turn off your main switch. If you turn off the main switch and it's the consumption stops, and you turn it back on and it starts, which means there's a leak in the system. Let's say you don't have earthing. If you don't have the earthing, it can cause those small leaks which will be consuming your credit. So you can call a technician to check for you. But if you do what I did earlier and everything is okay for you, then that's all. Subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Bye.